Right then, let's get started. For students, 2026 might seem a long way off, but smart saving and investing today can make a massive difference. Even small amounts regularly add up. Think of it as planting seeds for your future. Consider opening a stocks and shares ISA. It's a fantastic tax-efficient way to grow your money. You contribute up to a certain amount each year, and any profits are tax-free, a real boost to your returns. Do your research and find an ISA that suits your risk tolerance. Don't forget about budgeting. Knowing where your money goes is crucial. There are loads of apps and tools available to help you track your spending and identify areas where you can save. Small changes can have a big impact on your financial goals. Disclaimer: this video is for informational and educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always seek advice from a qualified professional before making financial decisions. I'm not a financial advisor, and this video is not financial advice.